Hi, Creaturiste here with a demonstration of not puppets, not masks, not props. This time it's musical instruments. I've been making Rainsticks and I love it and I want to make more. So let's start with Fantasy Branch. This one is obviously for the name, it's a fantasy branch. So texture of old wood without the bark, spiral pattern of it, and it sounds really nice. You can use it as a shaker. Fantasy Branch. We have the Hourglass. Longer playing time than the Fantasy Branch in a much smaller volume, much smaller size. You can flip it and create a wave effect. I'm going fast, but you can go super slow with it. I'm gonna fall asleep. You can do a rotate and flip at the same time. You can add a shake at the end of your partial rotation to create footsteps. You can go super slow and make everybody fall asleep. And when you realize you still need an audience to be awake, you awaken them with a shaker. Hourglass. Here we have the Sea Egg. This one is a wave generator and relaxation device. You can play with it in space and find out what it looks and sounds like. I can totally imagine a choreographer integrating that with their dance and their soundtrack. Or a storyteller using it as a sound effect for whenever they need water sounds. We're talking waves on the beach over pebbles or crashing against the rocks. It's up to you and your imagination, of course. So these shapes are just some possibilities. They are for sale, pre-orders, because they're not finished. But as soon as somebody orders one of them, I can concentrate on it and finish it faster. But these days I work on them full time until somebody is waiting for them, of course. Just wanted to find out if I could make it. I love it. I love the results. So now I know I can customize the shapes, the sizes, the sounds as well. If you want something more crystalline, more like ice, more like sand, more like rice, more like plastic. What rhymes with plastic? Fantastic! So we can create different sounds, different shapes. It can go from benign to completely scandalous. I got no problem with scandalous. So, and I can also teach you how to make them. My consultation fees for an hour are quite reasonable. I also have the possibility of giving you an online step-by-step workshop. It could take you a day or 2 days. It could be 2 sections of 1 day, separated in 2, depending on what your attention span and time schedule is. So let's talk about possibilities. Creaturiste@gmail.com, and thank you for watching and listening.